All right, Rylan, I got one for you. If you get it right, you get this $25 Starbucks gift card, okay? So here we go. You got 50 bucks, okay? You spend 20, what's your balance?
30.
Okay, good. You spend 15, what's your balance?
15.
Okay. You spend 9, your balance is?
6.
All right, so far so good. You spend 6, what's your balance?
0.
Okay, so you add all of it up over here. What is that?
That's 35, 41, 50.
Okay, 50. Good job. Now add that up.
45, 51.
How's that possible?
Because you added it different. I don't know.
30% of 70 equals what percent of 84? All right, so 30% is just 0.3 and times 70, that gives us 21. And now we just do 21 over 84 and that gives us 1/4 or 25%.
Okay, 3 friends went out to dinner and they spent $10 each on food, so it came to $30. The waiter realized that he accidentally overcharged them and it really should have just been $25. So he had to give them back $5. But he didn't know how to split the $5 3 ways, so he decided to give them each $1, and then he pocketed the other $2 for himself. So that means they actually each only spent $9, and 9 times 3 people equals 27. 27 plus the $2 he pocketed equals $29. What happened to the other dollar?
Day of the week will it be 365 days from now? All right, so we know that every 7 days it will become a Saturday. So we do 365 divided by 7 and our remainder is 1, so the day after Saturday is Sunday.
Me, or I think she like me. Molly rocks in my green tea.
If you can solve this riddle, send it to a friend. Did you know that 10 plus 10 and 11 plus 11 are the same? Why?
Elon Musk asked this interview question to people who interviewed at SpaceX and Tesla. Think you can get it? Let's try. You're standing on the surface of the Earth. You take a walk 1 mile south, 1 mile west, and 1 mile north. You end up exactly where you started. Where are you? Comment your answers below.
What is the remainder of 7,700,202 divided by 9? All right, so a number is divisible by 9 if all the digits in that number add up to a number that's divisible by 9. So 7 plus 2 plus 2 gives us 18, which is divisible by 9 with no remainder, so our answer is A.
Here's my favorite math riddle. See if you can figure it out. 3 friends go to the movies and they pay $10 each for their tickets for a total of $30. As they're walking into the movies, the manager runs up and grabs the last guy in line and says, "Hey, I forgot. Tickets are on sale, 3 for $25. Here's 5 $1 bills back for you guys." As the guy is catching up to his friends, he thinks to himself, okay, I can't divide 5 into 3 people. So he sticks $2 in his pocket and he says to the guys, "Hey, the tickets were on sale. Here, we each get $1 back." So they each paid $9 for their tickets. 9, 18, $27, plus the $2 in the guy's pocket, 27, 28, 29. Where'd the other dollar go? See if you can figure it out. I'll give the answer in part 2 in a couple days.
Riddle of the day, how tall is the table in this picture? Pause here and think about it for a minute. Let's solve this algebraically with equations. So from this, we can gather that the height of the table plus the cat, but minus the mouse, is 170 centimeters. From this, we can say that the height of the table minus the cat and then plus the mouse would be 130 centimeters. Let's write down those two equations, and then we have to solve for t. One way to solve a system of equations is adding them together. So t plus t is 2t. These guys cancel out, these guys cancel out, and 170 plus 130 is 300. So 2t equals 300, or t equals 150. To be sure, I can have the software solve it for me, and I have the solution right here. I'm using Maple Learn. If you're a teacher especially, it's a great software for writing and solving word problems.
If 4 squares are 5, then how many are 9 squares? If you can solve it, you're a genius.
What is the price of the eraser if the pencil costs $1 more? Now, most people think it's 10 cents, but that answer is wrong. So if we look at the price of the eraser, let's call it X, and the price of the pencil, let's call it X plus 1 because it's $1 more, and we add those together, we get 2X plus 1. Now, 2X plus 1 is equal to $1.10, so let's write that out. 2X plus 1 is equal to $1.10, and if we subtract 1 from each side, we get 2X is equal to 0.1, or X is equal to 0.05, which is the same as 5 cents. What is 20% of 20% of 20? Okay, so 20% we could rewrite as 2 over 10, and of just means times. So all together we have 2 over 10 times 2 over 10 times 20 over 1. Now, when we have multiplication, we just multiply across, and when we do that, we get 80 over 100. Now, we could cancel out one of the zeros, and we're left with 8 over 10, which is just 0.8.